Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of Delta Force on your Android device. First of all, launch the Delta Force game on your device and make sure that you are on the main home screen. Now click on the gear button or the settings button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, you will see a logout button at the bottom right. Tap on it and click on OK in the pop-up. This will now take you to the login screen. This ensures that your account is safely signed out. Make sure you always log out if you are sharing your device to keep your account safe, and you have successfully done it in today's video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.